Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your invite code in the World app, whether it's your own code or one you've already used from someone else. Alright, let's get started. So here's actually the thing. The World app doesn't let you directly edit or replace an invite code once it's entered. The only way to change it is by creating a brand new account. If you want a new invite code of your own, just delete the World app from your phone and reinstall it. When you open it again, it'll treat you like a new user, so go ahead and set up a new account. This will automatically generate a new WorldCoin invite code for you. And if your goal is to redeem a different person's invite code, the process is the same. Create a new account, and once you're in the setup screen, look for the redeem code field at the bottom. That's where you can enter the new invite code you want to use. Unfortunately, there's no shortcut. Creating a fresh account is the only way to change your code in the World app. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.